Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Definitely check these guys out, and hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We are on a roll now. We're in a new month ahead of us. Summertime is here. And you guys might need to grab some of these. Here we go. This is coming from Zinff. Zinff. Got 2 pairs. I believe these are non-prescription glasses. There we go. Here we go. Alright. Alright. I think that's it. And they got options where you can choose from different lens types like the UV block-in and others. Here's what they look like. Ooh. Nice. Look at that. So you can pick your frame or your style from men's to women's, kids I do believe. And all you gotta do is click the link down below. And hold on one sec. Bam! Oh yeah. Actually I can see. Not too shabby. It's like super clear. Can't see me. Wow, I feel really old now wearing glasses. I used to wear glasses when I was a kid, but throughout the years, I guess they adjusted. I got jumped in my left eye, so I mean, that kind of helped. Yeah, they got the blocking. Really comfortable, too. Super lightweight. So that's 1 pair, and you get your little cloth. Zinff. And then here's the other pair. So, like I said, guys, check them out. I'll have the link down below for you guys to purchase. And then they got an option for if you got your eye prescription, you can always add it into their website too, and then pick your frames from that way also. So you got a lot of choices with this company. Great sales they got going on right now, just through the summer kickoff. So definitely check these guys out. Zinff. I got the pink. Oh yeah. Styling and profiling. There we go. Alright, so check these guys out. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night, and see you guys soon.